Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. I am in Florence, Tuscany, Italy today, and I am absolutely loving it. We bought this castle style home with 3 bedrooms, 2 stories, a locked cellar, and I have just been having the time of my life in the Tuscan sun. Today, we're going to be talking all about visualization. Now, this is part of my Law of Assumption 101 playlist, which you can check in the card up above right here, where I will be going in depth about all things Law of Assumption, starting from the basics. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things Law of Assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You're also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos per month where I'll be offering collective coaching. If you have any questions for me, this is your chance. You'll be guided through your situation in depth by me and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. The thing is, I found myself to channel the exact answer that each baddie needs. Come to find out, that was exactly what they needed to hear. They followed my instructions that were tailored specifically to them, and bam, they got their manifestation instantly. We go so much deeper into the Law of Assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my baddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join, so the link will be in the description box down below. If members only is not available in your country or the link simply does not work, join through my Patreon link. It is the exact same program. It is also in the description box down below. Visualization in the context of manifesting and the Law of Assumption is a technique used to create a mental image or scenario of what you desire to manifest in your life. The idea is that by vividly imagining and experiencing your desired outcome in your mind, you can align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with that outcome, making it more likely to become reality. So this is how it typically works. You've specified what it is that you want to manifest in your 3D reality. You have step number 2, realize, understood, internalize that it is already done. Step number 3, you have picked a technique that is right for you. So let's say that it is visualizing, okay? It is then our job to distinguish when we want to do these visualization practices throughout the day. Do you want to do it in the morning? Do you want to do it in the middle of the day? Do you want to do it in the evening? Do you want to do a mix of both of those 3 things, or anywhere in between when you're bored? The choice is up to you. All that matters is if you are comfortable and excited about doing it at that point in time. There were days when I would be doing it in the mornings because I had more energy. There would be times when I would be visualizing in the evenings because I had more time to myself, and evenings for me is more of like a mystical type of time of the day where I'm not bothered by anyone and I just have this like space, this environment to myself. Then we are picking either an image or a 5-second scene. So for example, we are manifesting RSP to propose to us. Now we are picking a scene that signifies this. Usually your subconscious mind will pop up a scene in your head as you're thinking about this, right? Your subconscious mind is working for you, not against you. So it will show you the perfect scene for you. It might pop up straight away as you're thinking of this manifestation. It might pop up later on. No stress. You can get ideas from other people. But what matters is if you hear or you think about a specific scene that resonates the most with you, that should be your go-to. That is your subconscious mind telling you, hey, this is what's going to penetrate me the most. Again, I am not restricting you. If you are wanting to go by another visualization scene, all power to you. Now, we are sitting down or laying down or standing up. Really, it doesn't matter, whatever is the most comfortable for you. We are closing our eyes and we are imagining in the clearest detail that this person has proposed to us. So for example, if I'm manifesting this, my mind goes straight to the beach. My SP bending down one knee and opening the box, right? That's it. That's 5 seconds. That's all you need. So I'm closing my eyes, not disturbed by anyone, and I am seeing that image play out in my head. I'm first person looking at this scene being carried out. Now, you can visualize in third person. I have done this so much and I have manifested everything that I have visualized. Third person, first person, it does not matter. We are playing this scene for as long as you are comfortable with, but I would like to get started with 17 seconds. The thing that matters the most is that you are clear in that which you are seeing in your mind, and number two, you are feeling that manifestation being yours right now. So I would keep looping that same scene of my SP on the beach, bending his knee down, opening the box, which implies that he is proposing to me. I would make it look as clear as possible, and I would put myself in this situation where right now that is exactly what happened and how would I feel. Now, Neville Goddard says to really clarify how everything would smell, taste, touch, all of the 5 senses. But I don't think that that is necessary. I think that you can get it as clear as possible, but if it is too hard, then that is more than okay. It is more important to feel comfortable and easy while you're visualizing than putting stress on yourself and then just giving up. Most of my manifestations that have come true while visualizing were not perfect, vivid scenes, right? But the closer that we can get to that, the better. So it's all just a matter of practice. Speaking of practice, I would suggest to do this for about 17 seconds to 5 minutes in the morning or in the evening, and keep repeating it every single day until you see it in your 3D reality. You can do it for more than 5 minutes. You can do it in the morning, in the evening, and in the middle of the day. You can do it however way that you want. The reason why we are doing this technique is to see this visually play out in our mind, knowing that right now it is already done. If you have done those 2 things while repeating and doing this every single day until it comes into your fruition, you have won. So with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.